How to change mono to stereo in Audacity 3. First, make sure you have your mono track loaded. Now that we have our mono track loaded, look over here at the track's control panel on the left. You'll notice this is a single channel track as indicated by just one waveform. Our first step is to click on Select option. Click on All. Now that our track is selected, move up here and then go to Edit in the menu bar. Select Duplicate or simply press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. You'll now see two identical tracks stacked on top of each other. Now let's turn these into stereo. On the left side of each track, you'll see these three arrows. Click on it and then choose Make Stereo Track. Done! You've just created a stereo track. Now one channel plays through the left speaker and the other through the right. And that's it. You've successfully converted your mono track into stereo. Easy, right? Once you're satisfied with your stereo track, it's time to export. Just go to File, then Export, and choose your preferred format, whether it's WAV, MP3, or something else. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.